guys, welcome. If you are new, welcome back. If you're not, my name is Jazz, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this bag right here. I forgot to record an intro and it's already done and everything, so I'm just doing this real quick.
First, I'm going to be starting off by making a bunch of granny squares. Okay, so now I have completed making all of these squares for the bag. So I'll give you guys a close-up. I do still have to weave in and cut the ends. But I made 16 of the plain ones and then 2 of each color of these. Now I do have to, as you can see, they are all curled up. I am going to block them first, and then we will assemble them, put them together. I put this one together already. I just single crocheted in the squares, line them up, you know how to do it if you don't find a video. But this is the one side, and now we are going to do the other side. I'm going to show you a little bit how I do it, but not going to be, like I said, not a tutorial. So this is what we have so far, and I'll show you how I'm doing it. I'm sorry if this is not a good angle also. But, you know, we're working with what we got. So, hopefully you can see it. Sorry for the background also. Like I said, I'm in the middle of moving. So, I don't have everything I need, you know. And I don't know if I said this already, but 4.5 millimeter hook. That's what I'm using. I am just going to make a slip knot. So these, if you look at that, I'm going to fold these towards each other. So wrong side's facing. So slip through, chain one. Then I'm going to do a single crochet in that same space, and then just single crochet all the way across, lining these up. Yeah, I'll be doing 11 single crochets. And I always like to chain one to close it off, and then this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna work my way across like that, each row, and then I'll connect these together at once. So it could just be one long row. So the next one I'm gonna get is the pink, and I just have to make sure it matches this one. So that's what it looks like now, and then I'm gonna fold them towards each other and work my way from one corner to the other. Okay, so now we have one row done. Now we're gonna move to the second row. So I'm gonna grab the green and a plain one and fold them towards each other. It's very repetitive, so I think this will be like the last one I show you. So this is the bag finally finished. I decided not to steam block it because I kind of like the way it looks like a bubble bag. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.